the alcohol and maybe perhaps anger management issues. Maybe that would help to lessen his future risk to the community.
I see that there are other people who had guns, because I see Eric Fields, who's one of the complainants, not the main complainant. I don't do drugs. I haven't been in trouble. It's like, do you want a cookie for that? That's what you're supposed to do. So let's not start with, I haven't been in trouble since this date, because I'm looking at your criminal history and one of them is terroristic threat. And then criminal trespass.
I'm not a good talker, but
that's okay.
I mean, not to say how it started, but
no, go.
I was trying to prove a point that since 2005, I haven't been in trouble, you know, and all those years I was in the oil field for 15 years and I've never had my daughter. So now that I got my daughter, it's a blessing to me because I always wanted it. So now I have an opportunity to be a father and I don't want to mess that up.
I mean, but you have.
I understand.
I think the reunification, if you will, sort of took place after this offense. Is that correct? We can withdraw the deferred.
No, see, this is what I'm reading, and this is my problem. I can understand people being angry and getting upset with people. I honestly don't ever understand people pulling a weapon, because I always taught if you're going to pull a gun on somebody, you need to know that you're to kill somebody, and don't pull a gun unless you're going to use it. That's what I was always taught. But what it says here in the police report that you stipulated to, I contacted Jason, who is the manager and point of contact for surveillance. Jason provided me with footage from one of the cameras. Jason said he was working on getting footage from the other cameras as well. The footage showed Guadalupe, that's you, being taken out of the bar. He walks to his car and pulls out a small handgun. Guadalupe pointed the gun in the air where 4 spent shell casings were found. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Eric Fields and Lefty's Draft House. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, and because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?